You are welcome back to next episode on Mahashala TV. Today I'm coming to teach you how to use MTN mobile data free for WhatsApp. Note, it's not that free, but you buy cheap data for WhatsApp. This trick, I will introduce MTN Mashup. I recommend MTN Mashup for you guys. So before we will start everything, if today is your first time being on this channel, please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you not miss any trick for using cheap data and free data. Okay, before we start everything, I'll try and check my balance for you to see what I'm having and what I will get after this episode. So let me open my dialer and check my data balance. Note, we are using SIM1 for everything, so keep this in mind. I am having 101.97 megabytes. My AC balance is 0.93 and my SMS bonus is 100 units. My voice is 4 minutes and those stuffs are 000. Check my data well, 0.01, and I will check my mashup balance, because this time we are coming to use mashup to buy cheap data for WhatsApp. Note, this data is used for WhatsApp only. Don't finish watching the video and come and tell me I can't log in to YouTube. And so my post balance, I'm having 100 SMS and my WhatsApp data 98 megabytes. So let me start teaching you how to buy the cheap data. First, you dial *567#. That is the mashup code in Ghana. So if you are watching it from South Africa, Nigeria, or US, you can dial your mashup code and follow the steps. Then from here you choose option 1. Option 1 is mash up for self. Then you choose mash up 1 cedi. From here, don't choose the 1 cedi, choose option 2. Here you can dial the amount you want to buy. So from here you dial 0.07, which is not up to 10 pesos. It has to 0.03 for you. Because we are interested in data, I will ask you to choose option 4, but you can choose any of these options, but yes, still you get the data we are looking for. So because I'm interested in data, I will choose option 4. Choose payment mode. I will pay from my airtime. Note, I was having, congrats, you have purchased a mashup 0.07 to be used for all networks. That's free WhatsApp. 567 has to check that back on this, so you cancel everything. They have sent me a message. Let's go and message. Okay, this was what I read. Now let's go and check my map ads. Now you've seen that my WhatsApp data have been increased 50 megabytes. Note, I was having 98 megabytes and now I'm having 148 megabytes, and my data is 3 megabytes. My data is 3 megabytes. Now SMS have been increased to 150. Note, in any purchase of mashup, you will receive 50 free SMS and 50 megabytes free WhatsApp data. So you can purchase this as much as you can just to receive. Oh, sorry, I have chose SIM2, but here we are using SIM1. So let me quit everything and start again. Okay, *567#. Note, you can buy this offer as much as you can, and any purchase that you make, you will receive the 50 SMS and the 50 megabytes data. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that you will not miss any tutorials I will offer on free data. Here, let me choose option 1 for you to see that any purchase that you make, you receive a bonus. So now I'm done. They will send me a message right now. I hope you've seen the message. This is the message. The message came here, and let's go check my match up balance, so that you will confirm that any purchase that you made. This one, we don't have like your first purchase for the day or your this thing, your blah 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 blah. Okay, sorry, unfortunate. I'm trying to do another purchase, so that you see how the thing works. My AC balance was 93 pesos. So I'll try and purchase till they will tell me you don't have sufficient balance for transaction, and I will go and check my WhatsApp data balance, so that you will deduct 98 from it and keep it to yourself. Now I'm having 248 megabytes. Let's continue with the machine app. So note, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that you get notified whenever I upload any video. And you can WhatsApp me too, but I'm not interested in sharing my WhatsApp number, so you can join my WhatsApp group and pick my number from there. You can look into the description. You will see my WhatsApp group link there, and you can join for more tricks. This I have already uploaded it in my WhatsApp group, but they are telling me now I should upload it on YouTube for others to also enjoy. My group was created because of them, so what they will say is final here. Let me choose the third course, and note it costs the same. So let me check my balance for you guys to see the amount I'm having. I'm having 0.58 pesos, and now you can see my data balance have been increased. At first I was having 101, now it has increased to 366, and my voice has also been increased. My SMS have been also been increased with 350 units. Note, I can do this as much as I want, but because of time I will end up here. Don't skip. I will teach you how to do this unlimited or no expiry. In other words, this, if you don't watch the last scene and know how to do it on expiry, it will expire. So if you're having just one Ghana cedi, you can have about 500 megabytes to browse WhatsApp. You can watch status, you can watch everything, to also benefit from this pause. So let's check. Oh, this is my messages. So I will end here. Try to subscribe to my YouTube channel.